5 unusual cleaning solutions that actually work. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Dryer sheets. You can use dryer sheets for other purposes aside from laundry. If you have a stuck-on or baked-on food in a pan or pot, place a dryer sheet on it and fill it with hot water. Leave it overnight and in the morning, you will find that the food has softened. You can use another dryer sheet to wipe away the food. It won't harm the finish of your non-stick pan provided that you used a non-woven polyester dryer sheet. You can also use dryer sheets to remove pet hair from furniture and clothes. Loosen the hair by rubbing the sheet over the fabric and then use a lint roller to get rid of the hair altogether. Add a dryer sheet to smelly shoes to get rid of nasty smells. Newspapers. Newspapers are the oldest form of publication, and almost every household has some in their home. You don't have to throw them away after reading because it can serve several household uses. You can use it to clean windows and mirrors. Just be sure to spray it with a cleaner, of course. You can also clean your barbecue grill by placing newspapers over it and wetting them with a cleaner. Leave it for 1 hour and then take out the paper. Finish the job by wiping down the grill using a damp cloth or scrubber. You can also use it to wipe spills in your oven or microwave, as an alternative to shelf liners, and for packing fragile objects. You can also use it as an alternative to litter pads when you are house training your pets. Sponges. Sponges are essential cleaning products that boast of other uses apart from being absorbent. You can embed fast-growing seeds like radish in a damp sponge and put it under an inverted bowl and place it in a sunny location. Don't forget to moisten it occasionally, and after a few days, you will notice seedlings will start to sprout. Sponges can also catch oil leaks of motorized equipment. They can deodorize your refrigerator by sprinkling a damp sponge with baking soda and leaving it in an empty drawer inside your fridge to absorb a nasty stench. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Hairspray. Hairspray is not only great for your hair, but for household cleaning too. This may come as a surprise, but hairspray can remove set and grease stains. Douse the grease stain heavily with hairspray, using paper towels between the spray and the fabric. Let it soak for half an hour, and then put the fabric in the washing machine for a regular wash. Eggshells. Ground eggshells are non-toxic and an effective abrasive for tough-to-clean pans, pots, and thermoses. All you need to do is mix them with a bit of soapy water, and you will have a cheap yet powerful natural cleaner. You can even keep a few ground shells in the sink strainer. They will trap solids, and once they break down, they will assist in naturally cleaning your plumbing pipes on their way out. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use nail polish remover for cleaning. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.